I'm sorry I haven't uploaded as much. This is more of an outdoor biking video. This is the framed Impact BMX bike bike check video. So everything is stock on this bike besides these ODI lock-on grips. I got this for like $200 off of the framed website. That's how you spell it. Yeah. And then I've had this for about a year or two. Actually, I've had it for a year and a half, and got it for my birthday. And I've taken it to multiple skate parks, and I've taken it to Ray's Mountain Bike Park and BMX Park, downtown Cleveland. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And I'll be doing another video this week about me getting my Marlin 7, the 2021 version, with RockShox, and hopefully it'll be a good video. Have a nice day, and see ya.